What's up, YouTube? Poplar Mechanic here. So tomorrow we're going to be taking these big cottonwood trees out of here with the 140-ton crane. I've pruned on these previously. I believe the video was called Best Trim Video Ever or something, or Best Prune Video Ever. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to check me out pruning these trees. But now they're going to go. She's just getting worried about them. She's got kids playing down here and her dogs, and big branches are falling off, but I'll show you the trees right now. Alright, so this first one here, you know, these are quite large cottonwoods. It's leering out over, and you know, there's stuff, and usually there's a play set there. So we're going to pop this tree out of here. It's got this big weird limb that comes out. I was all the way out there and pruned it last time. So that's that one there. Not too huge at the base, and then we're getting a little bigger over here. So we've got this large tree. You know, there's some really good tie-in opportunities up there, so that's probably where I'm going to be going. So today I'm just going to be setting some lines in here, so that way when the crane gets here, we're really quick and set up to go. And I mean, sometimes it depends on the operator. They're not really supposed to let me ride the ball from where I live here, but if you have a secondary attachment point, I'm sure they can give me a boost. So we got this one right here. It's quite large. And the reason we need the 140 is because we measured out, we're at about 105 feet from the alley there. You can see my lift truck. We're not using it. I just brought it because all my gear is in there. But yeah, it should be pretty good. All right, we'll see you guys at the top. Right now I'm just rope walking up this tree to change my base anchor to a canopy anchor, and this tie-in point is going to serve me for removing the tree on the right entirely. I tried to give her a smack there, Eric, but I didn't have time.
see my line there, Milton? I think it's yours. Just go easy. Yeah. Perfect pick. I'm sending it all to Chris afterward. So basically, if you just pick me up a little bit higher and in this, oh, we got branches above here. Okay, just give me a minute. I can probably make that work, Milton. Bit of a turn. Beautiful work, bud. Getting her way. I love that. What's that one at? Well, I think that's pretty balanced, but if you ask me, it didn't teeter. See, that tip's a little lighter than them other ones we've been rigging. So, yeah, it wasn't a perfect tie, but you know what? It's doing the job. Yeah. Gotta be having now. Yeah. I get 2,800. That's what we're gonna do. You ever seen skills like this before? Thank you. Man, good job, Mel. I wish we could just hire you and have you do this full time. I think you wanted to turn the other way, Eric. Got her, buddy? Hold on, I got meat. Hey, get that away from me. Yeah, if you could swing away now, you're good. Swing away into the booney there. Yeah. Thanks, buddy. Sorry, I just get leery under that poplar. Yeah, buddy, you're clear. Oh, upwards? Yeah.
Oh,